Hola estudiantes, ¿cómo están? So today you're doing your test for Unit 1, which is called En Camino. So I'm going to show you where you're going to be doing. So first of all, what you need to have with you is your paper. So the staff should provide you with the instructions, yeah, which if the instructions look just like this, sorry, where you need to have um, 4 steps. So when you have your instructions, make sure that you have 4 steps. And I am showing you right now how they should look. So first of all, we have the first one, which is um, a clever activity under actividad 22. So if you go to clever, you are going to locate the assignment under October 3rd. So I know today is the 4th, or if you are watching the video on Thursday, this is the 5th. But the assignment for the test is going to be on clever under um, the 3rd. So if I go, remember how to log in, you go into your Clever account, click Wayside, and then in there you are going to find the section where you go to assignments. Once you go to assignments, you see all the activities. So as you notice, the first one that we're going to complete is Actividad 22. So then that means that you will have to click this one, yeah? So on here, what you will have to do is 2 items. So you will have to record as many questions as you can when you meet someone for the first time. Yeah. So you just meet a classmate. So what questions would you ask? Maybe like, what's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? Or when is your birthday? Etc. Etc. So just click the recording and then record as many questions as you remember. And then for item 2, you are going to answer questions. Yeah. So you will click the recording, start recording. You are going to see the conversation. As you notice, this is a conversation that's going to be happening. Do not stop the recording. Just let the person ask you the questions and you just respond after the beat. Yeah. So Adriana will be introducing herself and she will ask you a question. Then the beat will sound. You go ahead and answer the question. And then Adriana will come back and she will ask you another question. Then you have to respond after the beat. Then Adriana will ask you if you are something in particular, like what do you do? So maybe an identity. And then you will have to respond like a yes or no with the right answer. Remember, it's not just a yes or no answer. You have to elaborate. Then Adriana will ask you about your general likes, and then you will have to respond. When that happens, then you can stop the recording, and then don't forget to submit. Yeah, so you just submit, and it's on the corner of this assignment. So usually, to submit, you just click here. So that's for your first activity. Yeah, that covers this portion of the test. Now, if we move into the next portion of the test, so you do have a lesson section, which again, you will have to be in Clever. So under assignments, you will go into puzzle, like activity 24. And in here, you will hear an audio. So you will respond these questions on the paper that you have, which is the paper the SAP gave you, it has this little box in here. So as you hear the audio, you are going to fill the information that corresponds to the empty slots. Yeah. Do not respond if it has an X. If it has an X, that means it doesn't apply to it. But if it's empty, then you have to respond with full sentences, or you have to like put the evidence of the information. Yeah. Actually, you don't have to put full sentences in here. You just kind of fill the information that you are doing. So then from that point, you will have to go ahead and answer these questions, full sentences. These are the questions that we kind of practice through the weeks, when we were learning Unit 1. So it's a section where you have to change a description in the I form and the first person. Now you will have to switch it to the third person. And then we move into the next day, which is Thursday. So for that, I will make a video. Actually, let me just finish it. Um, so you, and here you have to create a presentation. Yeah. So I will just create another video because I have to start teaching now. So anyway, so watch the second video so you can see the instructions of the presentation. Thank you.